na sobrang hirap niya. Nagbabasura. She would collect garbage day in and day out to feed her family. And now look at her. And it's her birthday tomorrow! Let's clap her hands. She will be turning 11 tomorrow. We have a bouquet. Certificate, our plaque. You already have close your eyes. Okay, once you're ready. Wow! Let's all celebrate. Happy birthday, Liza. 1, 2, and 3. Happy birthday, Liza. We have our certificate of recognition for you as our...
Okay, before ibigay namin kay Liza itong recognition, babasahin na namin yung nilalaman ng special recognition na to. Alam po natin na nakita natin sa video from zero, ngayon tingnan natin ang naabot na. So, isa lang naging kapitan niya sa buhay, ang awit. So, naging mayor na siya. Ano na, so we will Department of Economic and Social Affairs, SPMUDA International Organization for Peace and Development, Universal Children's Day, Stop Violence Against Children, November 20, 2015. Certificate of Special Recognition presented to Laika Gairanol, the Boys Games Girlfriend Season 1 Champion, honoring Lifetime Achievement Award, Best Child Performance Medal Award, and recognition and appreciation of Ministry of Service to the community and support to the call of the United Nations for celebration of Universal Children's Day held at Expo Trade Hall Festival Mall, Alabang, Quezon City, Church and Sign, in the Dumaguete City, Philippines, Dr. Dato Kamad Ali, founding chairman and president of CEO. Please, Atty. Haron, President of
Thank you po. Maraming pong salamat sa lahat po na sumusuporta sa akin. Maraming po dito. Salamat sa award na ito. Thank you po.
At maraming salamat din for truly inspiring all of us, Laika Gairanol. Magpaano kami ng Ninong Rufi, saka kami ng Ninong Jimmy after.